Adhesions, man.
Oh, bastard.
Little bastards.
Oh, I've never loved pain so much till I came here.
Today we're doing Greg's bridge exam, so we're going to focus on your upper body today. Can you tell me the number one spot you want to focus on upper body wise?
Neck and front and back of shoulder
Okay.
after sleeping.
Where in the neck?
Oh gosh, I don't know, right there and right there.
Both sides?
Yeah.
Just coming down?
Right
Or is
here,
it just here?
right where it meets the clavicle. I guess.
Right in here?
Yep.
Okay. Is one side greater than the other?
Yes, the left.
Left.
Everything's mainly on the left.
Being here right now, 0 to 10 on this left side.
Gosh, 5.
Okay. And is it tight, achy, burning, sharp?
Just a dull ache.
And the second spot?
It's almost about a 2. It's not
okay,
bad.
on the right
but it's-
side?
yeah. Now the shoulder,
Yes.
when I get up out of bed after sleeping on it, I can't move it sometimes.
Okay.
It's just, oh, it's bad. But after an hour, it goes from a 10 to a 5. When I get up, it's a 10. But
What part of the shoulder exactly? Top, front?
the front, the top, and about the center of the shoulder blade, maybe. It's hard to
In
tell.
here?
But yeah, kind of right.
Higher? Lower?
Kind of right there.
Right in here?
Yeah, it's hard to say when it's not hurting.
I know. And then in here?
Yeah.
And then in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Out of these 3 spots, which one bugs you the most?
The back.
The back, like in the
When
middle
you
of the
first wake up, the back's the worst, and then
Okay.
like I say, I can't feel it now. This one I can feel. I know that's an adhesion.
Okay.
Well, from what I've learned.
Okay. This back part, no symptoms right now.
What do you mean? Right now? Not right now.
Okay.
Just when I get up.
This front part, 0 to 10.
Right now it's about a 7. It stays about a 7 all day.
We take you through a bunch of tests, see what makes symptoms worse, and then Dr. Chris will come in and do what he calls palpating, so he'll feel around for the adhesion sites, and then as long as everyone feels good, you'll go into treatment from there. I'm going to give you these lovely glasses here, and we're going to go over to this back wall. So you're going to come here, put the back of your head to this board.
Okay. The glasses got me
I know.
intrigued.
We're gonna make you do metal shop.
That's what I'm wanting.
I know, right?
Cool. We can do
Just
some
stay there
grinding.
so I can get your neutral. Neutral's 4.
Okay.
Alright, and then I want you to tuck your head in, but keep it on the board. There you go. Oops, stay
Okay.
there. You're good. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Hold here.
Mm-hmm.
Good. How do you feel there? 9 degrees?
Fine with me.
Any pulling, tightness, anything at all?
The shoulder still feels the same.
Feels the same. What about the neck? Did that tighten up at all?
No, it didn't change.
Okay. Similar. Tuck your chin for me, and then bring your head to chest. Keep going a little more. Good. Hold right here. How do you feel here? 62 degrees?
Maybe a little tightness in the back and then in the neck.
The back as in like that
The
scapular
shoulder.
area?
No, the shoulder.
Okay.
Shoulder and the left side of the neck. Out of
Okay.
5, I guess.
Left side of the neck increased to what?
About, I don't know. I can feel it more. About a 5 or 6.
Okay. And then is it that same back spot of the shoulder?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it now?
5 or 6.
Okay. How do you feel here?
No change.
That's him.
No change.
No change from
No
the
change. From the
before?
previous. Yeah.
So it's the same. So the neck tightened up and that shoulder
Yeah,
tightened.
it's the same.
Okay. 63 degrees.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and just look neutral for me.
Okay.
And then I want you to go ahead and look to your left. How do you feel here? 62
The
degrees?
neck gets tight and painful.
Tight and pain.
Mm-hmm.
0 to 10.
6.
Is it a sharp or a dull pain?
Dull.
Okay. Go ahead and look to your right.
Nothing.
Anyone? Nothing there?
No, nothing there.
This one you're gonna do feet together, knees together for me.
Uh-huh.
And then you're gonna hold this across like that.
Okay.
So feet together, knees together. Like this. Yep, there you go.
Those feet.
Yes. Alright. And then go ahead and rotate towards me. How do you feel there?
I don't know. Tight, but not too bad.
Okay, tight where?
In the back.
Where in the back? You can go ahead and point.
I just tighten the shoulder, knocking the shoulder right there.
The same spot here?
Yeah.
This
it
tightens
just gets
up?
tight right there, yeah.
Okay, 0 to 10 on that tightness.
Oh, 4.
What was the measurement?
44 degrees, which is 79% function. All right, go ahead and rotate towards me.
Not too bad.
Oop, hang on, keep your feet together.
Oops.
Knees together. There you go. You're okay. Now go. Good. How do you feel here?
That's the same.
35 degrees?
Yeah, it's a lot tighter on the left side. I'd say 6, 7.
This one I want you to just face that wall and do arms up overhead as close to the ears as you can go. Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Cool.
everything's good except for this shoulder is pissed off.
Okay, in that same spot in here
And the top there.
and the top.
And the top, yeah.
Okay, which
Mainly
one's
in the-
worse? In here or the
crap,
top?
mainly on the top. Yeah, mainly right there.
Okay, 0 to 10 here.
About a 10.
Okay, elbow straight, let me
That's
measure.
crazy. I can barely hold it up.
Sorry.
I did not know that. Man, you don't
You
know
said this
how-
was worse, correct?
Yeah,
0
right
to
up
10?
here is bad. Probably 10, 8, 10. I couldn't even hold it up. It was
Yeah.
so bad.
Okay.
I've never done that, so I didn't know it was bad.
Is the difficulty holding it up pain or weakness?
Pain.
Alright, here I want you to hunch everything down for me as much as you can. What do you feel here? Any pulling, tightness?
In the center of the back, nothing.
Anywhere.
A little bit over here.
A little bit in here.
Yeah.
0 to 10.
4.
Thoracic flexion.
I think after like 6 years.
That's okay. Just to do some extra testing here. This arm, does this at all make it worse?
About there. It's right there. And it's about 5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay, that's external rotation.
Same thing external and going up above.
Alright,
All in that shoulder.
and then we're gonna go the other way. Anything in here?
Not really.
Nothing? Okay, good.
Where's the worst of your symptoms?
I just, if I go like that, or like that, holy crap.
The whole thing. The whole
thing.
shoulder.
It's like I can't, I didn't know I couldn't do it. Till she showed me.
You're playing around.
It's like, thank you for telling me I'm broke.
So bringing your arms overhead hurt it the worst.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. That and that are the same. It's crazy right here. And then, of course, there's this one and the one in the back, but I did not realize the shoulder was
Does
that.
this bother it?
No, backwards doesn't really do too bad.
Internal rotation, symptom free.
External people get crazy.
How is it?
Oh, yeah.
Where in here?
Okay.
There's likely some joint or labrum issue with that.
That's okay.
Okay.
Like I said, only when I sleep does it even come up.
Don't let me push down.
Oh,
Only when you
don't
sleep on it.
Yeah, only when I sleep on it. And
Or
then
when you do those motions. Okay.
which I didn't know.
Okay. Come lie on your back for me, please.
Got it.
So I'm going to treat this as a shoulder labrum problem, especially because it passively, you're not contracting the muscles that bothers you. Side towards me a little bit, your whole body. So yeah, this is really bad. Your neurovascular sleeve on your armpit.
I knew you'd find it.
It's my job.
You're a magician, that shit.
So that neurovascular sleeve right here, it's about as thick as my finger.
Yeah,
And
and
it's
that's
just
what hurts.
very stuck in there.
Well,
So we're gonna treat.
we're gonna break that son again.
Go ahead. You see one?
Oh my gosh. Good. Oh my gosh. Get me in pain. Good job. Oh, I've never loved pain so much till I came here.
You're
I'll
fine.
give that. But that's awesome. Oh, good.
Go. This is the second intercostal brachial nerve. Right in the same area, just a little bit below it by an inch or so. Goes into the rib cage. And that's pulling and yanking.
Wow, that is amazing. Oh, good thing I took a shower this morning.
Okay, one more here.
Wow, that is crazy. amazing.
Go. Yeah, I'm just peeling off the adhesions off that sleeve.
Thank you. Oh.
Good. Proximal NBS, 2 passes moderate severe, and then second ICB moderate severe.
Yeah, now I can do it.
Percentage better.
80.
80%?
Yeah, I just feel a tiny bit now.
How about this one?
Wow, that's amazing.
External rotation 0 to 10.
Right about, no, it's getting back dark.
It's in the back now?
Yeah, it's in the back now.
So just
but
in the
it's,
labrum.
yeah, just, I don't know, 20% back.
Okay. So I'm pulling the tissue in the front and he's feeling in the back, so it just suggests that the labrum is pinching in the back. So if we got an arthrogram, I'm very confident that's what it would find. Oh, much better.
Oh, I couldn't do that a minute ago.
One finger. What do you feel?
Not much, a little bit in the back part of the shoulder, but not really.
On the back part of the shoulder.
A little bit, let me do it again. I mean, it's actually just tight there now, not even painful.
Face me on your side this way.
You weren't here before. That's a huge
Did you get that filmed?
Yeah.
Man, that was huge. Yeah, I couldn't even do it.
Huge difference.
You couldn't.
Adhesions, man.
Oh, bastard.
Little bastards, those adhesions.
What's that?
This is suprascapular nerves, a little stuff right here. Straight down.
Oh, hell yeah.
Good. That nerve comes out of the neck, comes down this way, and it goes this way. Anytime you have a nerve entrapment, it's going to glue down the muscles and they're going to be turned off.
That's what it is.
Because if you contract the muscle, it pulls on the nerve, and the brain just says, nope, we're not doing that. Go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Good. I'm just going to check the capsule. Cover the ear, please.
Oh.
Good. Come on, stand up, buddy.
Those first two.
Suprascapular nerve, moderate.
Stand up.
Stand face that way. Arms out to the side and overhead, as close to your ears as you can go.
I can do it now.
Good. You feel any tightness back here?
Nope. Well, not really, no. This one's pretty normal.
No symptom. Good. Come lie on your back. And I'm just going to check some of the nerves in your neck and see how bad these are. Relax your head.
No.
C6 nerve root at anterior scalene.
This is gonna hurt.
Moderate to severe. Relax your head.
Okay. Oh, you got it. That
Come on over.
motherfucker. Excuse me. I'm pretty verbal.
You're good. You're good.
I'm pretty verbal.
So this is just the nerve on the other side, on the bottom. And we're yanking the nerve, moving the arm while the neck stays stable. Good. Wow. Inferior side, moderate to severe.
Feel great now.
You see
Feel great now.
Okay. Did you want? I did.
That is amazing.
Rotation. No.
Well, he already did that. It was 0. Have a seat here.
There was one thing right there, but I don't know what I was doing. I know when I wake up in the mornings, I always feel something right there.
Well, that's usually the C7 sclerotal.
Is that
So
what it
the
is?
joint is, the neck joint is referring there. If it's gone now, if not, then it's just got
Pretty
some
much
stuff
gone,
in there.
yeah.
External rotation edema. Range is better. You feel anything? No symptoms. Let's remeasure UCF and CR to the left, and then we'll get into your lower body. Sound good? Okay. Let me know this one.
You're in charge.
You're in charge.
Oh, that is amazing.
Just give me a second, sorry.
Yeah, I couldn't do that at all a minute ago. That is sweet. You don't realize how many things are nerve adhesions. You think it's something else. Man,
Most people don't even know what this is.
I know, no, I didn't know.
Good. How do you feel here?
Perfect.
You went from, the first measurement was 9 degrees, you're now at 15.
And my left. That's all the way.
Good. How do you feel there?
No, nothing,
Nothing?
nothing, 0.
Um,
0 out of 10.
At the beginning, you had 62-degree rotation and you had a tight, dull pain here, 6 out of 10. Now 76-degree rotation, no symptoms.
Awesome.